Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Owner's Choice mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a preferred web browser. Go to the URL box and type in OwnersChoice.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Owner's Choice funding. In order to access your mortgage account, you will need to go ahead and click on the Manage My Loan button from the top header. In the expanded menu, click on Make a Payment. Now, you will end up in the Owner's Choice Funding login portal. Type in your username in the first text box and then enter your password on the next field. If you happen to forget your credentials, click on Forgot Username or the Forgot Password link, respectively. After filling in your credentials correct, click Login, and then you will be able to log in and manage your Owner's Choice mortgage account. Whether you want to check your balance, make a payment, review your account information, logging in will provide you with necessary tools. So that is how you should be able to log in to your Owner's Choice mortgage account in a couple of minutes. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.